Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all my Fat Matahari pupils. For today, we are going to move into new topic, which is topic 2, humans. Okay, in this topic, we will be focusing on 2.1, the human skeleton system. For your textbook, you may refer page 19, 20, and 21. I repeat, page 19, 20, and 21. Are you ready? Let's go. For today's learning objectives, okay, by the end of our class today, you will be able to 1. State at least 4 or 5 human skeleton systems. Okay, and number 2, you can identify and state all the functions of each skeleton system. Before that, this is the overview of today's class. First one, introduction. Number 2, you will be to know what are the human skeleton systems, the functions, and the last one, the practices. Alright, before that, I have one question to ask. Have you ever tripped down and injured your ankle or leg? Yes, I bet you have once. Did you notice when you trip down, you hurt your ankle or leg, you feel sting. You will feel sting at your leg or ankle. That's because you have hurt your leg bones. Same goes when you hurt your hand, means you have hurt your hand bone. One more. Have you ever thought why a worm could not be able to stand straight like human beings? Have you seen one? Why? Okay. This is because worms do not have bones like humans. That is why they cannot stand straight like us. As you can see here, the picture here, the boy, okay, inside our body, we have many bones in our body. Okay, bones in human body make up a system called skeleton system. Okay, I repeat, bones in human body or in our body make up a system called skeleton system. So, how many skeleton systems do we have in our body? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we have 5 skeleton systems. The first one, skull. Okay, number 2, rib. Number 3, hand bone. Number 4, leg bone. And the last one, backbone. Okay, these are the 5 skeleton systems in our body. So let us see what are the functions of each skeleton system. Okay, the first one, the functions of skull. Why do we have skull in our body? Okay, so as you can see, the animated image there. So skull is to protect our brain from injury. Okay, again, the function of skull is to protect our brain from injury. The next one, the function of our backbone. Okay, so if you want to know where is the position of our backbone. Okay, you may refer the picture there, the red line there. So this is our backbone. Okay, so what is the function of our backbone? Is to provide support for the body. Okay, to provide support for the body. That is why we can do stretching before exercises, right? Like this picture below. Okay, right. Next one, the function of rib. Okay, again, you may refer the animated image here. So you can see the red image here. So these are our ribs. Okay, so what are the functions of the rib? Is to protect our internal organs. Okay, so what are the internal organs? So here you may look at here. Okay, rib. Okay, our rib can protect our lungs, our heart, our kidney, liver, and also our stomach. Okay, so to protect our internal organs here. The next one, okay, I combine the functions of leg and also our hand bone. Okay, both these skeletal system is to provide, are to provide support and movement. Okay, hand and leg bone are to provide support and movement to humans. So these two skeletal systems, okay, supports our body and allow us to move around. Okay, for example, we can running, we can jog around. Okay, and also we have a brisk walk in the evening. Okay, now let us think. What will happen if we don't have our skeletal system? We will be like the worms there, okay, or the snake. We cannot stand straight, okay, because we don't have bones to support our body. Alright, so for the exercises here, you may click in the Kahoot link, which I will give you on Friday. Okay, as you can see here, this is a screenshot of the Kahoot game. So when you enter your name, please write down your nickname or your short name as well as your class 5 Matahari. Again, your nickname or short name and your class. For example, here I wrote Fatin 5 Matahari. Okay, please follow these instructions so that I can mark your work and your attendance. Okay, that's all. Okay, before we end our class today, so this is the review of today's lesson. Okay, we have learned the 5 skeletal systems, which are skull, rib, backbone, hand, bone, and leg bone. So these are the 5 systems. And then I hope you can remember all the functions of each skeleton system. Okay, so now as you can see in the slide, I hope you can do as what I want here. Okay, thanks in advance.